Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I will show you how to refund on G2G. First, you should go and open your account, then log into it. After logging into your account, you should click on your profile picture on the top right side. Then you want to go and click on purchase orders. And here you can find all the orders that you have actually purchased. What you should do is to click on order details. So after you click on purchase details, here it will show you this menu. You just have to go here. If it is not complete yet, just have to go and click on cancel order, and by this way you will cancel your order and get your refund. And this is the first method. The second method is to get back here to your account, then go and click on your support icon on the bottom right side and click on start a new chat. Then let's say that I want to refund. Type I want to refund a product and go through these steps. Or you can simply click on help center right here, and here it will tell you exactly what you need. You need to add the order number, clear screenshots or proof of the issue, description of why you need a refund, and just have to go through all the steps step by step, and you will get a refund for your own product. Or as I mentioned, you can click on help center. It will redirect you to this page. You can go here to buying and see here payment and refund. You can click on view all, and you can see here how does G2G handle refunds, returns, and cancellations smoothly, and see exactly what are the steps that you should do in order to get your refund. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.